What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the upcoming Google's flagship smartphone, which is the Google Pixel 8 series and the Pixel, which consists of Google Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro. Let's find out which smartphone is better for you and which are you planning to buy a new flagship smartphone from Google. So before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing, we have seen that in the first 360 degrees renders and the first leaks on the OnLeaks and the Smart Bricks, the Google Pixel 8 will indeed follow a bit of a different design language from the previous generation, and it will be more of a curvy smartphone than to be a boxier one. Also, this time around, the Pixel 8 Pro will not be having a more of a what we say curved display, but instead it will be having a more flatter display overall and the more of a less bezels in this smartphone. Now the display panel this time around is going to be a much more brighter than the Pixel 7 series, as we have observed, and the lot of quite of customers were having complaints for the Pixel 7 for its brightness, but this time this will be resolved. Also, the throttling issue will not be an issue right now for the Pixel 8 series, and it will be coming with a new improved Google Tensor G3 SoC, which is Google's own processor, and it will be a better one when compared to the Tensor G2 and a huge upgrade as well. Now talking about the back cameras of this smartphone, then the main primary camera is going to be this time around a 50 megapixel of a GN2 main sensor, a 64 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and the third camera will be a time of flight sensor, infrared, and the new thermometer sensor. Now what you also be getting in the smartphone's back is its bigger battery life. The 5000 mAh battery will be present in the Pixel 8 Pro, and also the charging speed are going to increase from 20 watts to 45 watts is expected this time around. Now the charging speed is going to be a better one, and overall the design language of this phone is a bit more curvy, and the price of this smartphone is you can expect the similar towards the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. There will not be a major price upgrades or the price hikes for the Pixel 8 series of smartphones. Now the phone is expected to be launching in the late September or the early October, so stay tuned to Tech Phantom for more tech updates, and we'll share as much as updates quickly as possible. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.